Hi there, I'm Amanda Cromhote from Truth. Welcome to the Blind Loyalty Challenge. We interview world experts in loyalty blindly. We're hoping to create insight, spontaneity, and a lot of fun through the challenge. The challenge is about promoting the blind loyalty trust, and my book called Blind Loyalty, 101 Loyalty Concepts Radically Simplified. All profits from the book go towards the trust. We hope you enjoy the Blind Loyalty Challenge. So we have another Blind Loyalty Challenge brought to you. I'm in Cape Town and Nick Chambers is in the UK. And Nick and I have the pleasure of working together. We're co-partners at the Customer Strategy Network. So welcome, Nick.
Hi, Amanda. Really looking forward to this. Hopefully, it's going to be a lot of fun. So I'll give it my best shot.
It is always fun. Okay, first question. What do you think is the best example of integration between payments and loyalty? And obviously, typically, I think mobile comes in there, but I'll leave that to you. So best example of integration between payment and loyalty.
Oh, payment and loyalty. It's a good question. Let me give you an example. It's kind of a little bit left field, but I was in London yesterday, and I went for the first time. I know probably your listeners have done this several times, but it was the first time for me in Amazon Fresh, where you go into Amazon, you go through, you pick up what you want, you tap your credit card, and you leave, and you get the itemized receipt with any promotions. I mean, what a fantastic customer experience that was. So I know it's more retail, but they did append a promotional offer. So it does sit within the loyalty space, but in terms of a seamless experience, it's unsurpassed. I mean, I think the challenge actually is I think they're going to close it down because of the technology is just so expensive in terms of the
Oh, wow.
cameras to see what you're picking up. But I think it will come again, when that cost of that technology comes down, absolutely transformational.
So did you not swipe your merchandise against a
Nothing.
SKU
No, you pick it off. You pick
barcode?
it up. You pick it off the shelf. I mean, say a bit about myself. I went for the meal deal, so I picked up the sandwich, the crisps, and the drink. And okay, I wanted the meal deal, but I also wanted to test out if I'd get the promotion. You tap your card when you leave, and then you because I have an Amazon account, so I get the receipt emailed to me, itemized with the promotion appended. Fantastic customer experience.
Yeah, that's cool. Can't wait to try that out. Great. Lovely example. Well, interesting. That leads to my second question, which I didn't know you were going to talk about something that was so sort of positive from a customer experience point of view. Because my second question is, what has been your worst personal loyalty customer experience?
Worst personal customer loyalty experience. Okay, now this is probably going to tell a little bit more about me than about the company because as an insider, as a practitioner, I completely understand the challenges of joining it all up. But I suppose when I'm in the grocery checkout and the person is trying to get out their loyalty app in front of me and they're fiddling around to open the app and they're fiddling around to get the promotions up, then they're looking to pay, then they're looking to tap the loyalty promotion, and all the time what we're queuing, and then you just know the next one is going to do the same. I think my expectation in grocery shopping is to get in and get out, and that says a bit about me. So when
Mhm.
there's kind of friction and time taken in the checkout process, that causes me a little bit of frustration. But I completely understand the challenges of linking the payment to the loyalty, and in that instance, it's separate, and it has to be separate because of the costs around the technology. But it does cause
Yeah.
frustration for me, in the queue.
Yeah, yeah. And ironic, well, maybe not ironically, it's the polar opposite of your Amazon experience. So yeah, exactly. Amazing. Good example. Love it. And my last one, we've worked together on quite a few projects around technology, RFP selection, and so forth. If you could only name one absolute critical priority for choosing a technical partner, what would that be?
Oh, Okay, it's an intimate understanding of your own operating model. The technology is just an enabler. Your operating model is the most important thing. So the technology needs to fit in your operations. And I see a lot of people, they're kind of shoehorning, they see nice shiny tech and they think, oh, I like it, what great features and benefits, but it doesn't fit with their operating model, and it doesn't fit, broader than that. It doesn't fit with their culture of their people and how they want to kind of interface into the tech. So I would suggest that if you intimately understand your operating model, your tech stack, and your performance measures, then the tech is part of the selection in terms of how it fits against those criteria. I just see so many times it's done the other way around. Oh, look at all this shiny technology, and you just can't use or implement half of it because it doesn't fit with the way the operation of your business.
Yeah, brilliant advice. I couldn't agree more with you. Brilliant advice. So anyone listening to this, if you take nothing else apart from a great Amazon experience, take that as
Yeah,
tip-top
yeah,
advice from the
yeah,
Blind Loyalty Challenge and
yeah.
Nick Chambers.
The fact that Nick likes a meal deal, yeah, forget that piece.
Especially the crisps and the Coke. Okie doke. We're not gonna dissect your dietary preferences. Nick, I want you to tag someone, please, for me to take on the challenge next.
It's got to be Sean Tan. He's an absolute superstar based out in Kuala Lumpur. So yeah, fantastic to get Sean on the show.
Brilliant. Yeah, Sean and I know each other. Obviously, we're all, the three of us are all partners in the Customer Strategy Network. So, Sean, looking forward to that discussion. Nick, thank you so much. You're a superstar. It was really insightful. Thank you.
Thanks, Amanda. Real privilege to be on your show.